Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Mastercylinder in California on this new Stryker SR-655hp. Mastercylinder, we ditched the FQP 13N10 FETs, replaced it with the new and more robust ERF 2030 Pluses, and per your request we also added the max mod voltage regulator. It's going to make things run a whole lot cooler. In a full out tune you're going to gain a couple watts. But this is a little bit different tune for this radio. Mastercylinder came to me and said for his setup he needed no more than 38 peak power. So went in and got it set up for him like that. I'm going to get right to it. 5-watt slug. Half watt all the way down. 5 watts all the way up. 100-watt slug. Going to show you average power swing. Low. About 18 bird. Peak power. Hello. There's 36, 37 peak. Just right about where you want it, Mastercylinder. Hey, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.